What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to drain the coolant out of your 7.3 Powerstroke. Now the cooling system on these trucks can hold about 8 gallons. With the method we're going to be using today, we'll be able to drain about 5 to 6 gallons of coolant out. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is open the cap on the coolant reservoir. That's going to allow air to get into the system and hopefully make the coolant drain faster. Like I said, you could drain about 6 gallons from the radiator doing it this way. So you're going to need either 2 5-gallon buckets or a few gallon jugs. Now next we're going to hop underneath the front of the truck. On the driver's side of the radiator, you're going to see a small valve. That is what we're going to hook a hose up to. There's a small hole in the core support that's going to allow the hose to go up and attach that valve. Once you have the hose set up on the valve, the other end should be in whatever container you're catching the fluid in, and then you can just open up the valve. With that being said, there is going to be a few gallons of coolant still in the cooling system. That's going to be spread throughout the engine block, the radiator hoses, and the water pump, and also the heater core. But this is the easiest way to get most of the coolant out. So that is how you drain the cooling system on these 7.3s. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.